Hey there, fellow cleaning enthusiasts. Today we're going to talk about a game changer in the world of robot vacuums and mops, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 PRO. I've spent some quality time with this amazing device, and let me tell you, it's a total powerhouse. First off, the FocusJet Pre-Spray plus Self-Washing Roller Mop is an absolute revelation. This feature alone makes all the difference in tackling those sticky messes that just seem to appear out of nowhere. The way it pre-treats the area before scrubbing is like having your own personal cleaning assistant at your beck and call. And with the OZMO mop rinsing in real time, you can say goodbye to stuck-on dirt and grime. It's like having a dedicated cleaning team working for you. But what really gets me excited is the Auto Shield carpet protection feature. Imagine walking into a carpeted room, and instead of getting soggy, your robot vacuum and mop combo springs into action, lifting the mop and covering the roller to prevent moisture from seeping in. It's like having a tiny little safety net for your floors, 100% dry carpets, zero cross-contamination. Talk about peace of mind. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about all those pesky pet hair and dander? Well, the ZeroTangle 4.0 is here to save the day. This anti-tangle brush minimizes hair wrap and reduces manual cleaning to a minimum. It's like having a personal groomer for your floors. Effortlessly picks up pet hair, dust, and debris with ease. Perfect for pet-friendly homes where we want everything to be tidy and stress-free. But what really sets the DEEBOT X12 PRO apart is its TruEdge 3.0 edge-to-edge cleaning technology. This feature extends the roller's reach to those pesky corners and baseboards, removing hidden dust that regular vacuums just can't get to. It's like having a superpower for your floors. Complete coverage, every single time. Now, I've got to talk about the smart large home cleaning feature. With adaptive navigation and optimized charging, this robot vacuum and mop combo can clean multiple rooms efficiently without you having to lift a finger. Less waiting, more coverage. It's like having your own personal cleaning butler. Ideal for spacious homes where we want everything spotless. But here's the thing. This device isn't just about getting the job done. It's also about making life easier. The seamless multi-surface cleaning feature lets you cross thresholds and uneven floors with ease, maintaining continuous cleaning room to room. And with advanced traction, you can say goodbye to those pesky dust bunnies that seem to accumulate in every nook and cranny. And then there's the AIVI 3D 4.0 plus Eco AI Assistant, a game changer for navigation and daily operation. With advanced structured light sensors detecting cables, toys, and pet items, this robot vacuum and mop combo can navigate like a pro. The Agent Eco AI Assistant takes it to the next level with voice control, smart cleaning suggestions, and simple daily operation. But what really gets me excited is the fast recharge and auto-resume feature. Quick charging minimizes downtime, resumes cleaning automatically where it left off. Perfect for busy households and large cleaning tasks. It's like having a super efficient cleaning ninja working for you. In short, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 PRO is an absolute must-have for anyone looking to upgrade their cleaning game. With its incredible features and benefits, it's no wonder this device has earned a 4.2-star rating from over 159 reviews. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to the link below to get your hands and floors on the ECOVACS DEEBOT X12 PRO and experience the power of effortless cleaning.